Hi guys, so yeah, we are going to find the lever. So it's like a waterfall, that's what we're looking for, and we went the wrong way. So now we're going backward now. So going backward and then read the instruction again, because it seems to be like the instructions are not very clear enough for us to know where we're going. So yeah, we're just gone up there, and now we're just going to follow the stream, because that's what I said all before. So that's where we're going now, and hopefully we should be up there. And yeah, hopefully we find a good spot. So next time when we do a shoot, we can just go on, just come here. So yeah, it's always like being a photographer is always like you always have to go and find new location every single time. So let's find out where we're going now.
Man is in the jungle, trying to survive in the jungle.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, we are in the jungle, guys. Lost in the jungle.
Yeah, it's not fun being lost in the jungle.
Yeah, this is adventure. Hey, there we are. Okay. Look at this. Okay guys, we are nearly there. I hope we should get there soon. I'm really starving. Like proper starving. Like got up in the morning, I didn't even eat anything. Actually I ate only a banana in the morning, that's it. Now I'm super starving. And this is like pure exercise. Like, okay, maybe you're not able to go to the gym, or you don't like going to the gym, you can go for a walk. So yeah, doing a lot of walks is better than staying at home doing nothing. And also you're losing fat as well. Like you're going to see nice sceneries. And hi. So yeah, you just go see nice sceneries like that, and you're losing weight at the same time. So yeah, so go outside, go somewhere nice, try to see somewhere you've never been before, and get lost. If you can get lost, discover new things, when you're losing weight. So I can say, don't need to every single time go to the gym. You can go different places, all this kind of stuff, and you can be alright. So yeah. Let's see how far we can go. Yeah, here we are. Okay guys, we finished shooting, we're taking pictures here. Now we'll be going just up there. Going up there and then just trying to find out what's going on down there. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Just go there and see what is the other side there. But for now, yeah, ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. So yeah, just go outside, as I was saying. Explore, see what's going on around your city, around your place where you live. Because it's really, really fun. So yeah, yeah, I think next time I will just make sure that I have the right shoes, because I did not come with the right shoes today. Yeah, because we had a shoe before, a different one, and yeah, we're really planning now. We're gonna be sure we come here today, because we came last time somewhere in a different location. We were trying to come here, and the road was basically closed, and we could not come here. And yeah, we just decided, like, today when we're in town, she was like, "Oh yeah, we finished, let's go home." And I was just like, "No, we're not going home. Let's see if we can find the place today." So yeah, and then we just decided to come here. Okay, so okay.
How did you do that?
I don't know. Okay.
I'll try it, but
Yeah.
I can't promise that I'm short.
Okay guys, this is another place. Beautiful. You know, yeah, as I said, Go out there and explore your place because you'll be amazed what you found. Yeah, this place is just like really amazing. You don't need to go very far, you don't need to go to a different country, you don't need to have a lot of money. You can still do a lot of stuff. So just bloody go outside and find something really nice. You know, yeah, we'll just be chilling here and that's it for now. Now it's trying to go back and get some food, but I'm really tired. Go home, get some food, and enjoy the rest of the day. So yeah, go outside and do some stuff. Don't be lazy. Get out.